Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox RS. This RS is featured in a red paint finish. Under the hood we have a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with our 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5-passenger seating on our jet black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle with a power driver seat. Also have GPS navigation, a dual pane panoramic sunroof, forward collision alert, as well as lane keep assist, and a heated steering wheel. Outside the vehicle, we have our front and rear park assist, black alloy wheels, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the Equinox, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Below that, we have our powered liftgate functions with max 3/4 and off, some storage, as well as our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar. Seat itself is finished in our jet black leather with our red RS trim. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system that can display our speedometer, audio controls, our navigation, as well as phone connection, and then all of our settings. Down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have adaptive cruise controls with forward collision alert and gap control in the center. Heated steering wheel and our lane keep assist with departure warning also on the left side. Moving to the right side, we have hands-free as well as our voice recognition. Arrows and check are the controls for that driver information system. Push to start ignition is just behind to the right-hand side. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, we go into audio and more. AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And we have a phone connection, GPS navigation, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, users and settings, and then wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto. Second page, we have apps, My Chevrolet, Sirius XM, as well as our OnStar. Then we have our full surround view camera with front and rear adaptive guidelines. Below that, we have home, seek, volume, as well as mute, and then back. Auto stop start and hazard lights are below that. Then we have a dual zone climate control for the front of the vehicle with front and rear defrost, sync, AC, and fan controls and zone controls in the center. Heated driver's seat with 3 settings and the exact same for the passenger. Across the bottom we have our SD slot, green sticker just to show that our SD slot is in it, a USB-C, USB-A, aux, and 12-volt plug. Little bit of storage for our device that's currently plugged in. And we have all-wheel drive and front and rear park assist functions. Leather finish shifter with our red trim. 2 cup holders with storage. Electronic parking brake below our shifter. Bit of storage just in front of our center console where we can also see our key. On our key we have locks and unlocks, remote start, our powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Center console has a leather finish. Inside we have a removable coin tray, deep storage, and 2 USB-As. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in that same jet black leather with our red RS trim. Heated for the passenger as well. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings at the front, dome lights with our dome lighting controls, powered moonroof, as well as our powered sunshade. Then we have a sunglass holder. Then lastly, dual pane sunroof, ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. On the hood we have a paint protection film. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out we have paint match mirrors with black accents and a integrated turn signal, as well as blind spot monitors. Paint match door handles with keyless entry on the front door. Moving all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have a black bow tie, black all-wheel drive and Equinox badging, as well as our RS badging in red. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have our powered liftgate. Once we're in the back of the vehicle, we have a 60/40 folding rear seat. You can actually fold it directly from the back on either side. Then we have a 12-volt plug next to that. If we open up the underneath, we have a storage space with a full-size 5th tire. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have power release as well as manual release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the Equinox, we have a chrome finished door handle, power window, as well as storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 vents between the seats, 2 USB A's, as well as a 120 volt plug in the bottom. Second row seats, we have leather finished, jet black seats in a 60/40 folding bench split. Center seat, we have 2 cup holders, and they do have our cup holder removal for easy storage. Then lastly, to fold the rear seats, we have our release on either side in a 60/40 split to make additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox RS. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.